Kidney stone pain can be so intense that many people call it the most painful experience of their life. But when a stone forms in the kidney, how do doctors remove it? Today we will understand step by step how the process of kidney stone removal surgery works. First of all, doctors perform some imaging tests such as a CT scan or ultrasound. With the help of these tests, they find out the size of the stone and exactly where it is located in the kidney or ureter. Once all the reports are clear, the preparation for the procedure begins. Before the surgery starts, the patient is given anesthesia so that the patient does not feel pain during the surgery. After that, the doctor uses a thin, flexible camera called an endoscope or ureteroscope. This camera is inserted inside the body through the natural urinary pathway. The special thing about this procedure is that it does not require any large cut on the body. As soon as the camera reaches inside, it shows a clear view of the inside of the kidney and ureter on a live video screen. This allows the doctor to easily see the exact location of the stone. After that, a special laser fiber is used, which slowly breaks the stone into small fragments. Then these stone fragments are removed with the help of tiny baskets or special tools. And some remaining small pieces also pass out of the body naturally through urine. After the procedure, most patients can return to their normal activities within a few days. Doctors usually also advise drinking more water and controlling the diet so that stones do not form again in the future. Today, because of modern medical technology, kidney stone removal has become much safer and more effective than before.